Hi, welcome. Today Pat and I are in northern Queensland, Australia, and are about to explore the oldest rainforest on the planet, namely the Daintree Rainforest, a World Heritage Site. From the Daintree River crossing, it's onward, north to Cape Tribulation, and then along the Bloomfield Dirt Track to Imogen Creek, exploring the jungle and coastline on foot as we go. Crossing the Daintree River, we drive through dense jungle and finally arrive at our eco-friendly lodge near Cape Tribulation. Wild, wonderful, breathtaking, we explore this amazing beach where the rainforest sweeps down to caress the coral sea. The first European to see this amazing place was Captain James Cook. Captain Cook's first voyage aboard HMS Endeavour reached the northeast coast of Australia in 1770. On the 11th of June 1770, Endeavour struck a submerged reef off the coast of Queensland and was forced off and then struck again, an incident that nearly sank the ship. After the damage, the crew managed to free and beach the ship and spent several weeks carrying out extensive repairs, foraging for supplies and refitting the vessel, and were able to continue the voyage north. Captain Cook gave the area the name Cape Tribulation, writing that here began all our troubles. This is a walk and explore beach. The lush rainforest, silver sand, and the azure coral sea seem to demand that we enter for a swim. But the sea is home to many different dangerous creatures. Be aware. Leaving Cape Tribulation, we head north along the Bloomfield track to Imogen Creek to explore the beach and the jungle. Like the sea environment, the jungle hosts many deadly dangers. The Gimpi is a rainforest stinging tree whose hairs inject a neurotoxin, causing excruciating pain that can last for months. Snakes pose a deadly danger. Coastal taipan are one of the world's most venomous snakes and are found in coastal scrub and jungle forest leaf litter. The death adder is around. It's an ambush snake with highly neurotoxic venom. It lurks under logs and debris. Saltwater crocodiles are around. It's an ambush predator which inhabits river mouths and estuaries. It's responsible for an average of 2 fatal attacks on humans per year. The cassowary is a giant flightless bird, capable of inflicting deep wounds with its powerful kicks and sharp claws. It's said to be the most dangerous bird in the world. Where the rainforest meets the mangroves. This walk traverses through towering rainforests to the coastal mangrove wetlands. Dabuji is an Aboriginal word meaning place of spirits. So lucky! What an amazing sight! A huge saltwater crocodile. Apex ambush predators. Their bite is the strongest of any animal on Earth. Saltwater crocodiles have existed for over 200 million years. They can swim up to 20 miles per hour and reach speeds of 11 miles per hour over land. Another walk and explore beach. This beautiful coral sea is filled with lethal marine and aquatic creatures. Box jellyfish have stinging tentacles up to 4 meters long. They produce extremely potent venom, which is capable of causing severe pain and cardiac arrest. It can be fatal to humans. Irukandji are tiny jellyfish, causing a syndrome of excruciating pain, hypertension, and sometimes it's fatal to humans. The boardwalk passes through 2 critical coastal ecosystems, namely dense rainforest and coastal mangroves. Cassowaries are one of the closest living species related to dinosaurs. Cassowaries can be dangerous to humans. They have powerful legs with long dagger-like inner toes that can inflict serious or even fatal injuries with kicks. Standing up to 6 feet tall, they are fugigors and are important seed dispersers, which helps to sustain the rainforest. Sadly, this iconic bird is listed endangered. The Daintree rainforest is the oldest tropical rainforest on Earth. It dates back more than 130 million years. One of the most extraordinary things here, rainforest meets reef. At Cape Tribulation, the lush green rainforest runs down to the sandy beach and the turquoise waters of the Great Barrier Reef, 2 of the world's most iconic World Heritage Sites. between the intertidal zone on this beach lurks great dangers. The blue-ringed octopus is a small, vividly ringed octopus carrying a neurotoxic venom that can cause paralysis and respiratory failure. It can be fatal. Cone snails are small conical snails with a harpoon-like tooth that injects potent venom. They can be fatal. Walking through this dense rainforest, it's hard to comprehend that we are following in the footsteps of dinosaurs. Some of the plants here in the rainforest are living fossils. They have an ancient lineage that dates back 600 million years to when Australia was part of that super landmass Gondwana. This lush rainforest has more tree species in 1 hectare than there are in the entire United Kingdom. Because of its age and isolation, the Daintree has a high proportion of species that are found nowhere else on the planet. Mangrove swamps are intertidal wetlands dominated by salt-tolerant trees and shrubs. Mangroves are carbon sinks. They are amongst the most carbon-dense forests per hectare on Earth, extracting and storing global warming CO2 from the atmosphere. They are one of the most productive ecosystems on Earth. Sadly, mangrove swamps are disappearing fast worldwide. It's estimated that 30% of mangroves have been lost in the last 50 years. As we say goodbye to Cape Tribulation, a tropical storm develops, and it's onward to the Daintree crossing and the Atherton tableland.